Look at the schematics here. The cooling system is incredibly dense.
Yes, the power output on this model is significantly higher than the M3 series.
The Q3 targets for the high-power motors are finalized.
Excellent. The export volume meets the national strategy.
As you can see, the core motor architecture supports diverse applications.
From factory automation
Stators enter vacuum pressure impregnation chambers, where insulation resin penetrates windings to enhance durability for the complete electric motor. Stator assemblies are seated into precision-machined motor housings, creating the structural backbone of the complete industrial electric motor. The automated audit stations verify torque values on all critical fasteners. The torque maps confirm uniform compliance.
Insulation check complete. Mega reading is stable.
Confirmed. Checklist signed off. Initiating interlock sequence now.
The
mapping confirms the targets. See the consistent green across the speed points.
Agreed. The motor is performing exactly as expected within these parameters.
Endurance and burn-in cycling. The complete electric motor runs through extended burn-in cycles to detect early life faults and ensure long-term reliability.
All parameters are nominal. Looks good for sign-off.
Agreed. Let's move it to finishing.
I found a slight imperfection right here. Yes, I see the ripple in the coat. Needs rework.
Bay 4, confirm manifest for the Shanghai shipment.
Over.
Okay, bring it straight down right there. Easy now. Copy that, almost clear.
The laser alignment shows perfect concentricity.
Confirmed. The run out is within limits.
A little more on the rear jack.
How's that reading?
Dead level. Thumbs up to the crane.
All temperature points are within tolerance.
The dashboard confirms stable output across the board.
Looks good. We are clear for production.
The final checks are complete. Everything is running smoothly.
Looks good. We'll take it from here.
Vibration levels are holding steady in the optimal range. Good.
Temperature signatures look consistent across all phases.
Surface looks clean, no heat damage noted.
Confirm torque on the main housing bolts.
Excellent. Logging the result.
Based on these heat maps, the critical elements are well within tolerance.
Agreed. No disassembly required for this cycle.
Condition trends are holding steady, but we should adhere to the revised schedule here.
The system confirms the Q4 milestone.
Looks good.
Rotors. The uptime remains consistently high at 99.99%.
Impressive reliability. The MTB
As projected, the life cycle costs stabilized significantly after year 3.
Excellent. That confirms the long-term savings we projected.
Throughput stabilized, right on target.
Excellent numbers for the quarter.
Notifying the floor now.
As you can see, the extension is decisive. No one else is scaling at this rate.
This level of market penetration is significantly higher than projected. But
the industrial electric motor is a critical enabler of global electrification, powering the transition across transport and heavy industry.
This motor is the true backbone of modern industry.
It's remarkable engineering. The field data confirms that the MTBF is exceeding projections globally.
And the efficiency curve keeps improving.
This failure point near the rotor was primarily due to the insulation class.
We saw the breakdown right here on the prototype.
The new design addresses that.
If we optimize the cooling fins here, we increase efficiency by 3%.
Good point. Let's run the thermal analysis on the new iteration.
Look at the flux density here. The new insulation holds up under the thermal load.
That aligns with the simulation results we saw earlier. The simulations show a
clear upward trajectory past the current benchmark.
Yes, if we implement the new rotor design, we can achieve this new target here.
Let's formalize that for the roadmap.
Digital twin integration integrate is complete. As you see from Simulate, already to heat by after
The adaptive control response is stabilizing the load. Look at the efficiency metrics.
They are well within the target range.
The widespread use of the complete motor is clearly reducing the life cycle emissions.
Absolutely. These metrics confirm the positive impact.
This standardized approach ensures that our operational expertise is immediately accessible across all international facilities.
The documentation aligns with the EMEA standards now.
Tapping the final approval here, all regions certified.
This synchronization point matches the Shanghai layout exactly.
Confirmed. The process nodes are fully synchronized now.
Make sure the torque is precise here for the high power applications.
Got it.
Perfect. You are now certified.
By integrating these high power units here, we optimize the entire northern grid.
And the policy overlays.
The data confirms it. We're looking at sustained global demand for these motors across decades. The curve has completely flattened.
Case studies show the complete industrial electric motor adopted across manufacturing, mining, rail, ports, and energy sectors.
Ensure the voltage regulator is set to the optimal threshold before initiating the sequence. I've calibrated the sensors, and the phase output is stable at 90.
The long-term service ecosystem ensures peak performance. We connect across regions to provide maintenance and upgrades throughout the motor's life.
The infrastructure alignment is complete. The data confirms the long-term viability of the electric motor strategy.
The complete industrial electric motor operates quietly as an invisible backbone powering daily industrial activity worldwide. With the final motors complete, the program approaches its conclusion, ready to power the future.
As you can see, the deployment milestones accelerated significantly in the late 90s.
Truly remarkable longevity and performance across the board.
The highlighted sections confirm the baseline parameters for the new classification.
This unit fully satisfies the requirements for the new industrial standard.
Agreed.
Global service centers commit to decades-long support for the complete industrial electric motor across all operating regions. The fully assembled electric motor is recognized as a cornerstone enabling large-scale electrification across industry and transport.
The charts have finalized across all markets. We are officially live.
This structure will ensure long-term success. Well done.
Review complete. The motor meets all compliance standards. Agreed.
Audit closure is finalized.
The integration plan looks solid. The hardening process is complete.
Indeed. With this agreement, we ensure the permanence of these critical systems.
This model handles twice the load, primarily due to the enhancements in the winding insulation.
And that's reflected in the new efficiency ratings we're seeing.
Global industry institutions recognize the complete industrial electric motor as a defining benchmark of modern industrial engineering.
All global sites are online and reporting nominal data.
The transition is complete.
Steady state operation active.
All parameters are within the lifetime specifications.
Seal applied and scanned. Status confirmed.
This industrial electric motor is hereby declared a permanent component of our critical infrastructure.
The holographic schematic show the optimal flux density here.
And this reading confirms it's stable at high power.